Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Medium app, updated. Start by opening the app and signing in, then customize your home feed by following topics you like and authors you enjoy. Tap the profile icon to manage settings and preferences, and use the Save feature to bookmark articles for later reading so you can build a reading list that matches your interests and schedule. Want to read more efficiently on Medium? Tap an article, then use the bottom bar to jump to comments or highlights. Swipe to move between pieces in a series, pinch or adjust text size for comfort, toggle dark or light mode for different lighting, and use the table of contents or search within an article to find key sections quickly while keeping track of your saved items and clapped stories. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle, a useful companion during long reading and writing sessions. I found it feels great to sip while scrolling or drafting, and it keeps drinks cold for hours. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy recommendations like this, consider supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Ready to publish on Medium? Start a new story, add a clear headline and an engaging opener, use the editor tools to format text, insert images and links, add up to 5 relevant tags, preview your story, then publish and choose visibility options, share to social platforms if you want more reach, and monitor stats to see how readers respond and where you can improve for future posts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.